Hi there, Scott Francis, Editor-in-Chief of Products Finishing, here to tell you about the latest issue of our magazine. It's been a busy time for PF, filled with a host of travel opportunities, ranging from conferences and trade shows to facility tours and legislative events. The June issue of PF catches you up on some of the things we've been exploring out in the field. Check out a recap of this year's Paint Expo, the largest international industrial coatings trade show, which took place this April in Germany. A look at a recent Women in Finishing event in Orlando, and an interview with members of the Metal Finishing Association of California from the recent Legislation Day event in Sacramento, an event designed to raise awareness for the concerns of finishing operations in the state. In addition, you'll find feature stories on the use of electroplating chemistries to enable the 3D printing of semiconductor cooling systems, advice for switching from TGIC-based polyester powder coating to TGIC-Free alternatives, the benefits of wet blasting surface preparation, and much more. As always, you'll find insightful columns from industry experts, the latest news and product announcements, and much more. Visit pfonline.com and click on the latest issue tab to download or subscribe. Thanks a lot.